Well, I mean, maybe.
Just so you know, I just need you to understand you're detained. You're not free to leave. You understand that, correct?
Okay.
All right. You're showing to have an active warrant. I've got to verify that. If it comes back good, you're going to go to jail.
An active warrant for what, sir?
I'm not sure. It shows to be out of the Fort Worth Marshal's office, so it's probably an unpaid traffic ticket.
What should you do if police come knocking on your door and start falsely accusing you of something you did not do? The short answer is start recording them. Welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video is from George. Be sure to head on over to his channel and give him the credit he deserves. This video takes place somewhere in Texas, and it involves the Fort Worth Police Department. A little over a month ago, these officers came to George's house and started accusing him of brandishing a weapon and threatening someone with it. George, who doesn't even have a firearm, was taken aback and tried to tell the officers that they must have the wrong guy. However, these officers insisted and pushed the issue. So, George pulls his phone out to record this interaction, and this is what happened next.
I'm trying to figure out about the call.
Cloud?
That you were called out for
We
what?
already told you what the call was for.
More.
But I'd just like to know again.
Professional way of putting
You
down.
already know.
3,
We told
12,
you that you
1971.
were holding
Thank
on
you,
to the
sir.
gun
That's
while
the
talking to
professional
them.
I wasn't holding on to any type of weapon,
You
sir.
got to give them some security
That's
numbers,
fine. Yeah, if that's when you want to start the video, that's where you start the video. But my video shows basically what our complaint showed us.
sir. Yeah, but
Who's this gentleman here?
they
He's walking
all
on his
our
property.
road.
He's
Just
walking
like
on my
before y'all
property.
came.
Who's this gentleman? You know him?
We ain't
He's
get that
actually
point.
not on your property. He's on the other side of the
They
property.
was on
Well,
our
he's
property
near my
before y'all
property. I
came,
just
bro.
want to know who he
That
is.
has nothing to do with
What
any
you
of
mean?
that.
They jail arrested us.
Well, he walked to you and showed you on your phone, on the phone,
Yeah, he showed me on the phone that
saying that I had
you
something.
had a gun on you.
You have no
And I
gun.
can see it.
What gun? Where you see it?
Where the gun at? No,
Where you see the gun? On me? Where you see it?
Fuck up. They wanna
Where do I
lie?
have a gun on me? Right
Photo
now.
that You had a gun.
Man, look at all
It doesn't
that
matter
bullshit
about
shit over there,
what's
man. We
going
got
on right now.
bullshit.
It happened what you did before.
What did I do before?
You already know what you did. Don't make.
I didn't do nothing,
Don't
sir.
act dumb.
I did, bro.
I didn't do nothing.
I'm working out there. They was sitting down, bro.
Okay.
I bring this shit because you put gun. I'm talking to him nice at first.
And-
I said, hey.
and
I said, what y'all got over there?
There's someone actually coming in the driveway right now of this property.
Yeah. I said,
If you
what
can
y'all-
get out the way,
I said,
sir.
that's a lot of shit y'all
Or
got
are you
to do.
are you saying I'm being?
Yeah.
You're detained at this point.
I'm
said,
detained?
I said, y'all got any Bluetooth
Okay.
speakers or whatever?
Watch out.
And then they came and got me. My family came and got me. Go to work. He kept staring at it, like, you know what I'm saying? But they did say, get the fuck out of our property. That's our property right there. You know what I'm saying? They come out behind trees, he's been under residence for months and months and months.
Did you see me pull a weapon out, Corey?
No, you ain't have no gun.
I didn't have no.
They had a gun.
There's a spider on your shirt.
It's okay.
That man, look,
It's okay.
that man had a gun. I mean, maybe.
Just so you know, I just need you to understand you're detained. You're not free to leave. You understand that, correct?
Okay.
All right. You're showing to have an active warrant. I've got to verify that. If it comes back good, you're going to go to jail.
An active warrant for what, sir?
I'm not sure. It shows to be out of the Fort Worth Marshal's office, so it's probably an unpaid traffic ticket.
Unpaid traffic ticket.
Most likely, yes, sir.
But are you here for an unpaid traffic ticket or I pulled a weapon? Which one is
I was
it?
here for an unpaid weapon, but we since discovered that you had a warrant.
Because I didn't do
We
that.
don't no trouble, bro. We don't
Did-
bother
I
nobody.
did not.
We don't bother nobody, brother.
There was nothing observed, sir.
We won't bother
205.
nobody, brother.
This is a false accusation, sir. They're saying I pulled a weapon on somebody. A
We
handgun.
had a gun. Now, this dude had a yellow shirt on. He put the gun down. He said,
Never said a
hey.
handgun.
Nah, he had a
Yeah,
gun
he
like
did.
this here. I was right there.
Yes, you did.
That motherfucking gun.
You said that's what that is, sir.
They lying like a bitch, huh?
That's what a weapon is. That's what you said,
They
sir.
want to call on their phone. For y'all to see.
Whatever. What you said a weapon.
They record what y'all want.
You said a weapon.
Who pulled the weapon?
He showed,
Supposedly, who pulled the
Now
weapon?
he's saying I have a warrant.
You?
pull that gun down for the
Warrant for what?
warrant.
Unpaid traffic ticket.
No, well, that's, yeah, I got one.
About the gun thing, that's false. But not with no gun. That man
I don't
come
know.
with a yellow shirt. I'm trying to tell him, you don't believe me.
So what
Because I'm black.
inform are you saying?
Man, you gotta calm down, Corey.
No, I'm just trying to figure out the form.
The problem is the issue that he was having with them.
Me?
Not you.
Yeah, well, I'm working out here. I'm telling you the truth.
Wow.
We haven't had no issue. We haven't had no issue with nobody. We told him
Okay,
not to
this
talk
is
to
the
them.
thing. He was having an issue with the neighbors over here, the workers that are actually working. They have nothing to do with whatever.
Well, all we told them was
Yeah,
not.
nothing to be on the-
All
on
we
the
told them
property.
was not to
Okay,
come on
well,
our
they're,
yard. That's
they're
all.
working, dude.
Yeah,
Well,
that's
they're
right.
not.
Working.
That's right.
They came on our property.
I talked to
So
the
it's
gentleman.
just the same as if somebody came to work on
Yes,
your
sir.
house and they accidentally got onto their
Oh,
property over
But
there.
excuse me, sir.
You know what? They're working, man.
You
They're
absolutely-
They wasn't working.
They're
Officer,
working,
you
and
absolutely-
they're doing the
Officer
job.
Panya,
Right?
what's
They
your name?
just not on our
Hey,
property.
hey, look, Corey, can I speak with the officer? George, you get my chair so I can sit down. I can't stand
Lie,
it.
man.
Can you get my chair for me?
No, sir. He's not free to leave.
He's not free to leave.
He's not free to
I'm
leave.
detained.
But Cloud can go.
Detained for what?
He's showing
Who
him
you said? Who you said needs to go?
He can go. He can go get a chair for your dad.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
An active warrant for what?
The chairs in the garage.
That's right, Corey. Let me give him
Sorry.
an active warrant for what, sir?
Supposed to be at a Fort Worth Marshal's office. It's most likely an unpaid traffic ticket or some other form of Class C violation.
Him or me?
Not you, sir.
Him.
No, it's a traffic ticket. They said they were going to. We just sent the paper. We were supposed to
Well,
pay.
right, that's
It's a
bad.
ticket,
Right, that's
parking
good enough.
violation.
You go right down there and get out. No
Sounds like
problem.
it hasn't been paid for.
Well, no, I contacted him the other day, sent me a letter. I was going to how you doing? I was going to send it over.
Well, in the event that it does not come back confirmed, I will happily cut everybody free. 1 second. Yeah.
Okay.
Just chill out, man. Nothing happened. If you got a warrant, I'll go bail you out, but you didn't do nothing. You're going to pay the ticket. You're going to do pay the ticket.
This is the problem with policing in the United States these days. These officers are clearly wrong and have the wrong guy. Instead of backtracking and doing the right thing, though, they try to push the issue and look for warrants or see if the person they are dealing with is on probation or parole. Look, I get it. Sometime when you do a job and you get something wrong, you don't want to look foolish. However, as a man, it's expected of you to accept fault and responsibility when you make a mistake, especially in situations where someone's livelihood is at stake. Like stated earlier before, though, this isn't an individual problem. This is a problem with policing as a whole. Every cop may not start out as a bad apple, but they all go rotten eventually. It is an ego problem that they can't ever seem to overcome. Now they are here wasting theirs and George's time with this interaction. Meanwhile, the guy they are supposed to be after has probably fled the area by now.
But you didn't do anything. We weren't messing with those people. We just told them not to come on our yard because she had an issue before her husband died about us being on her yard. But we got the right not to tell nobody not to come on our yard, but we don't want no trouble.
They're just workers trying to fix the house, man.
Right.
They don't know the issue that you had previously with the other tenant.
I understand all
I spoke to him, brother.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm playing with joking with this. I'm telling you the truth, dog.
Hey, man,
God shut me down on my mom. Listen, I'm telling you the truth on my mom.
Man, I go pay the ticket.
I'm the reason they came now.
Hey, could you keep it down?
But-
Talk to, hey,
I'm being detained, Corey.
Hey, let me talk to the cops, Corey.
Mr. Cloud, you're not a suspect, and you're
No, I'm
free
trying
to
to
leave.
tell
You're more
you.
than
No,
welcome
I
to
ain't
walk
telling you.
away.
I'm trying to tell you what I did. I'm not about disrespecting. I'm working.
We didn't talk to him. We told him to leave them alone because they were bothering
I was
him.
joking around with
We didn't do anything. They have no video, nothing. We haven't bothered them.
There's actually a photo
A photo of
It's a
what?
photo
of your
of
son holding a gun.
No. My son holding a gun.
with a white shirt. With a white shirt on.
No, my son ain't got
Listen
no
to me.
gun.
With a white
There's
shirt.
no photo of my son holding a gun.
A white shirt.
That's not
me.
true.
I took it off.
You got a gun?
No, I took my shirt off.
Oh, no.
I had a stick
George
in my
ain't got
hand.
no
I had a
gun.
stick in my hand.
No, we've been out here. He came over here because, Jackie.
Yeah.
We were trying to let him make a few dollars by cleaning up.
Yeah.
And there's no gun up here, sir.
No.
He said somebody pulled out a gun on him, and I told him, don't worry about that,
yeah,
Corey.
he did.
Just keep
Yellow
working.
shirt, black
There's
shirt.
been no gun, but they ain't got no picture of him.
It said,
pulling the
say.
gun. That's crazy.
And that disturbed me.
Yeah. They don't have no picture of him pulling the gun.
You know how we work, George. We got to get everything figured out, right?
Oh, yeah, but what he's saying is it's false. My son ain't had no gun.
Okay.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah, one of us.
Nobody got a picture of George having no gun. That's crazy, man.
False out
And what was that photo taken? You said there was a photo or a video, you said?
It's a photo, man.
There's nothing,
Okay.
George. They ain't got no photo of you
A
taking.
photo of what? What was that?
Photo of you. Holding a weapon.
Go ahead, man.
Holding what
Holding a
weapon?
Man, what,
He
today?
says it's a gun. You said it's a weapon. What's
Today?
the-
Which one is
He's
it?
not holding
A
nothing.
gun is a weapon. A gun
Today?
is a
A
weapon.
gun
He don't
today?
have nothing. He wasn't
A gun
holding
today?
nothing.
He was out here with me.
And that,
No
when did
gun.
that occur?
They had guns.
He didn't do
Right
anything.
before we got here.
No.
Yellow shirt.
No, sir.
black
That's incorrect.
No, sir. I went to.
That's
no,
incorrect, sir.
Sir. That's incorrect. No.
Check on them recording where they say, hey.
You got the,
They,
you
they
got the
said that
picture?
to me.
They,
And you know what I was
showed
doing,
us
sir?
the picture.
Look.
We're about to get a
Officer,
copy
you know
of
what I
the
was doing?
Can I see it, please?
Officer, because you told me
at
to
this moment.
get the fuck out of our property.
Can we get a sergeant out here, man? He hasn't done nothing.
So doing
Let me
it,
get my phone.
being rude, being
I'm
disrespectful to
not
him.
going to confirm on your warrant. You're good to go. Check the contact you if they need to.
Hey, wait a minute now. What's the deal with the gun?
When she
On
told
your
me,
warrant, Angel. What's the deal with the weapon? Can I find out, please?
when she told me to
Sorry?
get the fuck
The
out the
weapon?
property,
What weapon
I
did
got
you
real
have about the
nasty.
weapon?
What's the deal about the
Mr.
weapon?
We're talking about, there's
Well,
a picture of somebody holding a gun.
okay, who?
They believed it to be him.
No, who believed it? Either it was him or it
stick
wasn't
my
him. Come on now, please. Sir.
Sorry, it was either him or wasn't him. I wasn't here. I didn't take the photo.
Well, you got the photo. You should know who the hell's holding the fucking gun.
I don't have the photo. This gentleman over here has
Do I
the
look like
Okay,
this?
well, let's see who's holding. Let's get a sergeant out here, please.
If you take me,
Which sergeant would you like to speak to today, George?
Any of them that you can get over here, man.
Get me.
And if you want to be wise too, you can leave. I'm trying to be nice about this.
No, I'm not.
But you said my son was holding a weapon. I want to see where the fucking weapon's at.
Man, the problem
That's all right, Dad.
is no search warrant.
I'm asking because I
It's
know
just
there's some
harassment,
that
Dad.
you'd like to talk to and some that
It's
you
just
don't like to
harassment.
talk to.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why I'm asking.
And I actually do
Is
need
there
a sergeant out here. I want to know what weapon he was holding. All I did was tell that gentleman not to come on my yard. And when the gentleman spoke Spanish, and he was very nice, and he told me what he was doing over there, I told him, no problem, my friend. I said, go ahead. We have no problem. You can do whatever you need to do, and God bless you. That's the guy. In the white shirt, that's exactly what I told him. But before that, we had a problem with her. She put that
What's
thing
your
right
name? Mr.
Payan.
J. Payan.
She said,
there. You ain't got no picture of him holding shit. Because he didn't have no weapon, man.
She told me, get the
No.
fuck off the property.
I don't know what.
She talks to us bad all the time, man. No, he ain't got no weapon, man.
And she
He didn't hold no
doing
weapon. He didn't hold. You didn't have no
And it's
weapon.
on the video that you couldn't define certain aspects of.
Dude, what you're trying to do is you started the video right after we
I did.
Oh
got
no,
here,
Mr. Pena.
The
Mr.
video
Pena,
wall.
we're
You
trying to
want
be.
to
We're
get the
trying
copy
to
of this video?
We're trying to be
Go
good
ahead.
I don't
people,
care
man.
about a
We're
copy.
We're not trying to
Mr.
bother
Payan.
nobody,
I'm
man.
being
We're trying to do our
falsely
thing out here. We're
accused.
not bothering nobody, man.
Yes, I
We're trying to
am.
help this man make a
Part
few
of an
dollars.
investigation is not being.
Because
I told her
I
on
didn't.
camera because
do
I was acting
nothing,
silly
sir.
and goofy because she made me mad. She would get the fuck up my property. I'm gonna show you.
She told you that?
Yeah, she said get the fuck up off my property.
Hey, I'm sorry that she told you that. But
So I
the
got
workers-
mad and asked.
Did the workers tell you that?
I'm talking about her.
Her?
That
It had nothing to
woman.
do with it. She
That
was
woman.
good.
The
She
workers
said
didn't do
that to
anything
me.
to you, right?
No.
She said get the fuck up that property. That
Yeah,
made
but the
me
workers
mad.
didn't.
George, we have a supervisor on the way for you.
Maybe
Good. I'm trying to figure out what's going on, 'cause we ain't say shit to nobody, man.
Because she said get the
And
fuck
this
up
other guy
my
over here with the
property.
sweatshirt, is he a cop too?
Her property over there. All
George?
that trash.
I don't know. He's the one saying that had something, I guess, because he showed you something on a phone, right?
He is not with us.
He is
Who
not
was
with
he?
us.
Where's the picture? Where's the picture of that gun, my
I
friend?
bet you the city gonna give a fuck.
Excuse me?
I just pulled up. The photo wasn't of him.
Now what up?
Okay, who the fuck is the photo? Because he says it's my son.
Because he's accusing me, sir.
I know.
So we better
I
find
know.
out who the fuck it is before
I
we
know.
start
Calm
accusing
down,
people.
Dad. Calm down.
I know that bitch told me to get
My
the fuck
dad's
off the
disabled,
property.
sir.
And just like that, these officers look like complete buffoons. At no point did they have any evidence to suspect George of brandishing a firearm, yet they doubled down on the basis of a supposed picture that was never shown to these officers. This is the issue with police taking calls from people without verifying any of the claims made against the opposing party. George and his family have every reason to be angry when being accused of something they didn't do. On top of that, the police being completely garbage and trying to just brush off their mistake as if nothing happened. Yet they were so willing to find anything to pin on George so that they can put him in handcuffs. Folks, your best defense against bad cops like these will always and forever be a camera. They lie, cheat, and steal and don't care who they hurt or affect along the way. That's why it is imperative to learn, know, and exercise your rights to the fullest extent, because you never know when you will have to utilize them. Big props to George for recording and pushing back on these cops. Make sure you all head on over to his channel, subscribe, and we will see you all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for watching.